the Snowwolf A Feng Pod System AIO. Let's have a look. Hey guys, Ben Vick here, back with another review. Today we are looking at this, the Snowwolf A Feng Pod System. Really interesting AIO this. I didn't know it was coming, it's dropped in the mail. I had no plans to review it, set it up, and I've been loving it this week. All this week I've been absolutely loving it. So I wanted to make a video and explain why it's better than your average AIO, it's better than your average pod system, and why I'm really enjoying it. It ticks so many more boxes than your average. So let's just go down low so you can have a proper look at it up close, get a feel for it, then we'll come back up top and talk about it. The A Feng Snowwolf pod system. Let's go. Okay guys, here we are down low with the A Feng pod kit, pod system, the Snowwolf A Feng AIO, if you like. This is it down low. Now, first of all, it's got a big Snowwolf on the front, but it's embossed on, you know, in a way that's the same color as the device. It's not super in your face. If that was really outstanding and protruding, I wouldn't like that. It's got a really cool back as well. I do like that. A Feng written on the back. And you've got your fire button there. But yeah, like I say, it's not super in your face. I don't have an issue with that. So that is that. So this is a AIO system. This is an AIO system. It's called a pod system. You know, a lot of people are familiar with that terminology, but technically this is an all-in-one system. What you've got going on here is a set device where you can change your coils in and out and do what you like with. This is the inside, 18650. You've then got this pod style element here, but it's not really a pod as such. This has separatable coils, so it might make a mess here, but essentially it's just push fit, and you can just put your coils in here like this, and you just push it in and you are done. You've got a filling port here as well, and you've got adjustable airflow on this section here. I like it nice and open. I just like absolutely cranking this thing. You slide it back in here and it makes contact with these two connectors like that, and when it's in, it is in. The door goes back on here, magnetized, no play, no rattle, and your airflow is coming in from this hole here. You've got USB type C if you want to charge it on board as well. In terms of the way the device works, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you've got your flashy lights here. That's also a battery indication, and it's got no board or no screen or anything like that. It's just giving you straight power. The coil that I showed just now is a 0.6 25 watt coil head, and it's pretty good. Let's fly back up top and I'll talk about this some more. Okay guys, that was the Snowwolf A Feng pod system down low. As we said, as we will always say, not really a pod system. I get why they're saying that, because the tank and the coils sit in a pod. But when it's got removable coils, when you can put your own juice in, when it's tied into a big device like this, it's an all-in-one system. All-in-one because you can't put another atomizer on here. The atomizer doesn't work anywhere but here. And yeah, the mod is useless without the atomizer. So it's an all-in-one, you know, an all-in-one system. But a really good one. It's a really good all-in-one system. Why is it a really good one? Loads of reasons in my opinion. First off, the look and feel of this. The look and feel, it feels like a deck of cards in the hand. It's kind of smaller than a billet box, but it has that billet box feel. It's rock solid. There's no rattles, no wobble. Really nice in the hand. And it's just absolutely really rock solidly put together. It's really feels nice in the hand, nice drip tip, everything. By the way, I've not been paid for this. I didn't even know this would come in. I've not spoken to anyone. I just really like it. So yeah, this is, I think that's the first thing. It feels good. It's pocket friendly. It just feels solid and well made. I'm really enjoying just the ergonomics of this. It's exactly the sort of travel vape shape, size, feel that I'd be interested in. The next big thing, not a built-in battery, an 18650 battery. 18650 battery at this kind of wattage is really good battery life. It's really long battery life. And you can just switch it out for another battery anyway if you want. You can also charge it on board micro USB-C, so that is going to be nice and fast as well. So it's got better battery life than most AIOs. You can swap the batteries, unlike most AIOs. It's got a really solid, sexy feel to it, you know, unlike most AIOs. So it's got those things going for it straight off the bat. The next thing is the coils. Not only can you adjust the airflow on these, but it's actually a very nice vape. It's a direct to lung vape. They've not tried to do a fake mouth to lung, or, you know, some kind of weird restricted. You can just bang this at a nice steady direct to lung. 25 watt coil head, 0.6 ohms, and it's a proper coil head as well. When you look at the coil head, you can see it's a real coil like you'd find in a normal clearomizer. So there we go. Take this out and about, and you can just bang it like this. When you pick it out of your pocket and just bang it like this. It just works. It just works, and it's good. It's flavoursome. It's cloudy. It vapes completely properly. Yeah, it's super portable, and that is what I'm enjoying. The coil heads are really nice in here. Vaping an absolute treat. Final thing I really like about this is how easy to dismantle this tank is. It's just a push fit coil, so it comes out really easy. The back comes off really easy, the tank comes out really easy, and then you just pull the coil out. So it's so simple. It's so simple to use. There's no screw this, then adjust that, or, you know, there's no catches or latches. It's super simple to use, super easy to clean as well, super easy to fill. You don't have to take the tank out to fill it if you don't want. It's easy to tell where your juice level is. It's just ticking a lot more boxes than most of the AIOs I've looked at this year. So all of those things. It's by no means perfect. No vape device is perfect, and it does have its quirks. I'm not super sure about the Snowwolf. It's so big on here. I'd love that to be a lot smaller. I don't think it needs a Snowwolf embossed on it. That's the thing. I know some people are really funny about completely contrasting doors, and it has this completely different door look to the rest of it. I think it totally works, but you might not. Another thing is, this is a common problem on this type of device, but the air input is here, which means you've got to be careful not to put your hand over that and block the air intake when taking a drag. So it's got those things going against it. The final thing that I think would just take this into the absolute stratosphere of probably the best budget AIO is if they came out and produced tanks. These tank sections here, if they produce them for other coils. Now, I know commercially why they might not want to do that. I understand that they want you to buy their coil heads, and I totally get that. But if this could fit everyone's favourite coils in, if they brought out a Nautilus tank for this, if they brought out a Vaporesso C-cell or EUC coil thing for this, you know, if it had alternative tanks or a way of getting your favourite coil in here, it would just take it absolutely over the top. These coils are working absolutely fine. I have no issue with the coils. That's not what I'm saying. I'm just saying that I know a lot of people in this wattage range have their favourite coil head, and it'd be so good if those coil heads fit in this as well. So that would be the next absolutely perfect thing. But I think it's got a lot going for it. I'm really enjoying using it. It's going to be my new pub vape, my new out and about vape, I think. I just think I think it's duty. I think it's duty, and so I've made a video for it. I don't tend to do that many videos for this type of stuff anymore, but I'm really impressed with this. I'm really enjoying it. I think it's better than the alternatives in the market right now. I think it's better than the PAL. I think it's better than the Orion, just in the way it's put together and the way it vapes. So there we go. Let me know what you think in the comments below. The A Feng, Snowwolf A Feng. Let me know. Cheers.